Welcome to this video, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can place your trade on MEX, how you can execute your trade. Now, this illustration in my hand, let's take for instance, this is a live market. You can see I have figures on the right side, which is the prices of Bitcoin. Let's say Bitcoin is on 100k, so I'll just go ahead and mark that. Now I want to predict that Bitcoin is going to go to 300k, which is called a long, because I'm saying Bitcoin is going to go to 300k. And now this 300k is going to be my take profit, because I want Bitcoin to go there. So I'll go ahead and put TP, and I'll call that take profit. That's what it stands for. So now each time you're predicting that the market is going to go up, you should always have a shield, which is your stop loss. In case the market tries to come against you, you should have a shield to get out. So now I'll put my shield on 90, which is my stop loss. I'll put SL on 90. So what I'm saying is that if the market comes to 90k, the market should cut me out, so I won't encounter more losses. So this right here is a bullish market. Like I'm saying, market is going to go up. That's a bullish run. Each time you predict that the market is going to go up, you're actually going on a long, which is saying that the market is going to go up. Now you should always have a stop loss. Very, very, very important. So what I'm saying is that market is going to go from 100 to 300k, and I'm going to make profits. I'm going to take my profits at that 300k. That's what I'm simply saying here. Now, you should understand that anytime the market is going up, is known as a bullish market. That's why we have the word bullish. The bull is like pulling from the ground up. That's how the bull attacks. So that's why you have the name bullish market. Now, I'll go ahead and impute these values on a live market so that you can see what is happening. So this is my MEX platform. This is the interface. I'll come to features. I'll click on these features. So this is where I'm going to impute all the values. I'll be using 500 for my size. I'll use 500 USDT, and I'll hit done. And I'll click on this small icon for TP and SL. And I'll put in my take profit, which was 300k. I'll type in 300k. And my stop loss, which was 90. And I'll put in my stop loss, and I'll hit done, and I'll scroll down and open long. So this is how you're going to predict if you want to open a trade for a long position in the market. So you see, you just put in the values and you open long. That's how you're going to open long for the market. Now, if you want to open short, I'll be showing you how you're going to do that. So back to my decks. So now, if I want to predict that the market is going to go down, which is a bearish market, that's, I want to say Bitcoin is going to fall all the way from 100k down to maybe, let me say, down to like, let me say 70k. That's if I'm saying Bitcoin want to fall from all the way from 100k to 70k. 70k is going to be my take profit. So I'll go ahead and mark 70k, and I'll call it TP. And remember, each time you're setting the take profit, always set a stop loss in case the price reverses back. So this is going to be my take profit for a short position. That I'm saying price is going to fall down to 70k, and I'm going to take profit. Now my stop loss is going to be at 200k. I'm trying to tell the market that if the market comes, if the market goes up to 200k, it should stop me out, so that I won't encounter more losses. So this is how you can go for short trade. Now I'll be showing you how you can impute this value in a real life trade on the MEX platform. Now this is my MEX. I'll go to features. Remember, we are going for a short position. We want to predict for a fall. I'll maintain a price of 500. I'll impute this and hit done. So now our take profit will be 70k. Remember, we want Bitcoin to fall from 100 to 70k. So I'll put in 70k as my take profit. I'll put in 70k. And now my stop loss, very important, my stop loss is at 200k, because I don't want Bitcoin to pass 200k. So I'll put in my stop loss to be 200k, and I'll hit done, and I'll scroll down. Now I'll use this other option, open short. Guys, I'm trying to tell the market that I want to go deep, I want to go down, I want to go for a bearish structure. That's the opening short. That's the meaning of open short. So that's all for the basics of placing a trade. That's how you can execute a trade in the market. If you have difficulties setting up your account, or you want to sign up to MEX, there's a link in this video. You can follow the link and you can sign up to your account.